Today I want to talk about a StrongWeld gate package. We shipped over 1,000 miles away to Houston, Texas, where they installed it, and go a little bit over the process of how it came to be and how it turned out. The StrongWeld tilt gates are part of the StrongWeld line built here in Melbourne, Florida. They're durable, lightweight, they're easy on the operators. They're built out of aluminum so that the operators don't have a whole lot of weight to pull on them. Keeps them lasting longer. What are some of the advantages of tilt gates over sectionals in your opinion?
The advantage is wear and tear, maintenance issues, sound. Tilt grill is a single panel gate, so you're not running into all the squeaks and sounds that come with all the hinges on a sectional. You don't have as many points of failure. Again, we're looking at one solid gate panel instead of multiple panels with all the hinges and rollers.
The contractor that won the bid had us come out. We took a look at the site. Sean, you actually went out there to the site. Why don't you kind of describe what you were looking for?
Yeah, we flew out there one morning, met the contractor on site, went over where the package was going to be installed, what kind of functionality they wanted, mode of operation. We took some measurements on the opening, made sure that any changes in slope or pitch were accounted for. Any obstacles, sprinkler pipes, water lines, all that stuff was documented. That way that the package could be built custom to the opening. We punched the drawings out in a few days. We sent those over to the contractor. He approved them, sent them on to the customer to make sure that everything was what they wanted to match the architect's design. And then as soon as they approved that, then we moved on with handing it all over to the fabrication shop.
I remember watching you guys build these, and it looked like you built them to the drawings, and then you assembled the entire package here on site and tested it out before disassembling it and sending it on. Can you explain that process a little bit?
Correct. Yeah, we had our fabrication shop build everything. It's kind of similar to an erector set. Everything just kind of bolts together and is assembled fairly quickly on site. But to ensure that everything was good with the amount of travel that this package was going and the fact that it's not in a close proximity for any of our team to oversee, we set it all up in our fabrication bay, bolted everything together, ran through the paces, adjusted the springs and the balances, and just wanted to make sure that we provided the customer with a turnkey product.
Holiday Door in Houston, Texas installed the gate. We provided them with an install video, instructional video, and showed them how everything goes together, and they said they were able to put it together very easily based on the video. Everything worked out perfectly, and we got some great pictures and video of the completed installation. So everyone was really happy with the turnout of this. You have any more to add?
Well, I just want to say that another advantage of tilt grills over some of the other options you might have, like swing gates or slide gates, is the amount of space needed is minimal. And the main advantage is the ability to install them on a slope or a pitch. You can install it on the ramp in the parking garage or on any floor of the parking garage without taking up too much space or losing any of your parking.
All right. Thank you.